The 501Y.V2 variant, also known as 20H501Y.V2, B.1.351 lineage and South African COVID-19 variant, is a variant of SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19, one of several SARS-CoV-2 variants believed to be of particular importance. It was first detected in the Nelson Mandela Bay metropolitan area of the Eastern Cape province of South Africa in October 2020, which was reported by the country's health department on the 18th of December 2020. Phylogeographic analysis suggests this variant emerged in the Nelson Mandela Bay already in July or August 2020. A genomics team led by the KwaZulu-Natal Research Innovation and Sequencing Platform at the University of KwaZulu-Natal discovered the new variant. It was uncovered by whole genome sequencing. Several genomic sequences from this lineage were submitted to the GISAID sequence database. Researchers and officials reported that the prevalence of the variant was higher among young people with no underlying health conditions, and more frequently causes serious illness in such cases than other variants. The South African Health Department also indicated that the variant may be driving the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic in the country, as the variant spreads faster than other earlier variants of the virus. Footnote 1 presented in Parent Lineage B.1. Source: Teagley et al. Supplementary Fig S8. There are 3 mutations of particular interest in the spike region of the B.1.351 genome, and a further 5 spike mutations which have so far generated less concern. Away from the spike region, it also carries K1655N, SGF3675, 3677 deletion, P71L, and T205I. Scientists noted that the variant is able to attach more easily to human cells because of 3 mutations in the receptor binding domain in amino acid position 501, K417N, and E484K. 2 of these mutations, E484K and N501Y, are within the receptor binding motif of the receptor binding domain. The N501Y mutation has also been detected in the United Kingdom. 2 mutations found in 501, V2, E484K and K417N, are not found in variant of concern 202,012-01. Also, 501, V2 does not have the 69 to 70 del mutation found in the other variant. On the 23rd of December, UK Health Minister Matt Hancock announced that 2 people who had travelled from South Africa to the UK were infected with 501, V2. On the 28th of December, the variant had been detected in 2 people in Switzerland and in 1 in Finland. On the 29th of December, the strain had been detected in a visitor from South Africa to Japan, and in 1 overseas traveller to Queensland, Australia. On the 30th of December, the variant was detected in Zambia. On the 31st of December, it was also detected in France, in a passenger returning from South Africa. On the 2nd of January 2021, the first case of this variant was detected in South Korea. Austria reported their first case of this variant, along with 4 cases of the UK variant on the 4th of January. The Republic of Botswana also detected their first case on the 4th of January. The People's Republic of China reported the first case of this variant in southern Guangdong province on the 6th of January. On the 8th of January 2021, the Republic of Ireland reported the detection of 3 cases, all linked to travel from South Africa. On the same day, a case of reinfection with the new variant by a woman who had had COVID-19 was reported from Brazil, the first such reinfection reported in the world. Canada reported the first case of this variant in Alberta on the 9th of January. And Israel reported 4 cases, all of which were imported in people traveling from South Africa. New Zealand reported the first case of this variant on the 10th of January. On the 12th of January, Germany reported the detection of the mutation in 6 people from 3 different households. The same day, it was reported that the United Kingdom had a total of 29 cases, 2 of which were previously reported. The following day, Belgium reported the first case in a person from West Flanders with no travel history. Israel reported 4 further cases, and Taiwan reported the first case in a Swazi man in his 30s who had tested positive for COVID-19. On the 1st of January. On the 14th of January, Germany detected a further case, and the following day, Canada reported a second case of the mutation which was detected in the Canadian province of British Columbia. A further case was reported in Germany the same day. Denmark and Reunion reported their first cases on the 16th of January as Israel discovered a further 4 cases. On the 17th of January, Israel reported another 4 cases, bringing their total number of cases of this variant to 20. 2 further cases were reported in the Netherlands on the 18th of January, bringing the country's total to 3. Ghana reported its first case of the variant on the 19th of January. On the 23rd of January, Panama detected its first case of the strain in a person from Zimbabwe who had traveled from South Africa. Also on the 23rd of January, Belgium reported at least 15 cases of the variant in Ostend, while 6 cases were confirmed in the Comoros. On the 26th of January, the Republic of Ireland reported the detection of 6 further cases.